Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 39, Enrollment Adding Data to Database using Eloquent Model Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service plus 919941588899. This is anytime contact WhatsApp and Telegram. Let's start this video. First of all, this is my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is my project is already run. This is a localhost Laravel_12. This is already run. This project is available inside this localhost PSP. My admin is available. This is a database name. Let's first of all inside this is a Eloquent means enrollment. This is the enrollment. Inside this new button is the implement add button. This is a list file is open. Resource view super admin enrollment, and inside this list file, and this is the only simple way is available. This simple way. Inside this new button is implement. First of all, this is the index file means index file is open. Inside this is the add button is available. This is a add button, same name is a button. This is a copy, otherwise this is a all copy and paste here, and this is a div is a table is a not a content copy. Only simple way in this 2 div is a copy. This is a 2 div is a copy and paste here. This is a 1 and 2 div is a copy. Save file. Implementation. This is a all good. This is a working fine. Let's refresh this page successfully. Button is available. This button. This button name is a sense. This button name this is a sense enrollments, and this is a successfully set. Let's refresh this page. 100% this button is a working, and this is a name is a implementation. This is the name is a successfully sent. This button inside this is a URL is a implementation. Click this, same URL is available. This URL all good. This URL is available. This same URL, same name copy. This is a copy and web.php open route. Inside this web.php open, inside this admin, inside this new route is a create add route get, and this is a add route successfully. This enrollment controller class, and this is a add successfully add. Same name copy this add, and this controller is open. This controller is already inside this included app http controller, and this is a controller is available. This controller is inside this new function is a create public function and paste here, and inside this is a return view super admin dot this enrollments and add file. This is a file is a create. Same name copy, and this is a file is a create new file is a create new blade php successfully create, and hello save file and refresh this page. Working fine. This is a hello is a show good working. The same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a section is a end section paste here, and close this and refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. This is all good. Again this click this and add successfully working fine. Inside this is a table is already create this previous video, and this enrollments table is a previous video is a click. This is a already successfully create. This is a student ID. This student ID is available. Student ID, class ID, enrollment date. 3 field is inside this implementation. First of all 3 field is implement class inside this is a add, and this is a all div is a create copy, and this is a paste here. Inside this paste here successfully paste. Step by step extra this is a not use. Remove this forest loop is a not use. remove, and this forest loop is a remove. Otherwise error is a show. Good working. Let's refresh this page. This name is a send, this is a enrollment name is a copy, and inside this is a step by step name, since this is a paste here enrollment. First of all, this is a first name is available, this is a student ID, this is a student ID, this is a student ID, means this is a student ID. Same student ID is a set, and same name copy, and this is a student name, this is a student name. Second is available class ID, this is a class ID, this same name class ID, and this is a class name is a set, this is a class name, and the same name copy and paste here. Third is available enrollment date, this is a date is a implementation, this is a date, this is a date, set data, and save file, and this is a date, and this is extra is all remove, this not use, and this is a not use. Successfully all implementation 3 field plus step by step write down. This is all good. Let's refresh this page. Working fine. This is a drop down is a not available. The student name and class name is a inside this ID. Let's state this is a student ID. So first of all, this is a student table is a click the student, and this is a name is a get, this same name is a inside, this is a show, but this is a student table is available, this student ID means student table name, and this is a student model is available, this so this model inside this student model, same name copy this student model, and this control open use app model and paste here. First model is a sec, copy same name $data is equal to paste here get, and $data is a get students same name student $data. Save file and refresh this page as it is a working fine. This is working fine. Let's same name copy, and inside this add forest and paste here as $value end forest option value, and this is a ID is a set, this is a $value ID, same name is this is a ID, this ID. Second is available, this same name copy and paste here name, save file and refresh this page. 100% is a show record, all good. This is a successfully available, this is a all good, this is a all name is a good. Second is available, this is a class name, same name is a class ID is available, this is a class ID, this ID inside this is a available, this is a class ID, this is a class name is a implementation, this is a set. Let's step by step set this room number inside, this is available class. Let's open, this is a environment, this is environment, inside this is a implementation class ID means room number. Let's this same name copy this class, copy this is a class table is a available, copy same name is a copy, this is a class table same name copy, use app model and paste here, save name. Let's copy this name $data get is equal to paste here get, and this is a class get class, same name copy. Let's $data pass here, copy this name inside this open, and this is a pass here step by step forest as $value end forest, same name option value $value id, and the same name, copy this name and paste here, and this is a name is a implementation, this is a room number. Save file. Let's refresh this page and working fine. This is a good 1 this is a class, room is available, student name, and this is a class number. This is a miss class number, this is not a name number, class number, and this is a class number. Save file and refresh this page successfully. Class number is a get. This is all good 1 and 50. This is a student is available, this student, and this student is a select, this is a 1, this teacher in this class is a implementation, and this is a date speaker is a implementation. All good. This is a fine. Second is available enrollment number, and this is a all step by step implementation. Please write down, this is a code. This is all successfully set, and this is a available only implementation and this model. Let's step by step implementation. This is a method is a post, method is a use, this token is completely, and method is a post. Let's web.php open, and this method is same name, copy and paste here, post and store, same name, copy. So let's copy this name and public function and paste here, store, and inside this is a $request, $request, and this is a inside, this is a record store, but this is a environment table, this is a table inside, this is a store record via model. This is a table name is a model is available, this model inside this same name, copy, and this is already included. Let's paste here, insert record. Insert record is a implementation, insert record, $request, save file, $request, and this same name is a copy, and this model inside this new function is a create static public function, paste here, and this is a $request, and this is the same name, try, and this is a log is a implementation, this is a error, log is a implementation error, solving error. Let's inside this is a save, $save is equal to new self, same name, copy and paste here, save, $save is equal to trim, $request, and this is a paste here, same name, copy, paste. Let's name is a implementation, same name. This is a name is a class id, means student id, and same name is student id. Second is available class id. Third is the implementation environment date. This is a successfully date is a set. All good. This is a record is a insert query is a good working. This is the implementation insert record. All good. This is a fine, successfully working good. Let's refresh this page, and this return redirect, this page is a return redirect, the same name, copy, inside this is the implementation, return redirect with success record successfully created, save file, and success message is inside this list file, inside this underscore message file is included in this is a message file is inside this included in this success message is a show good working. Let's refresh this page, and this is a table is a blank. Let's step by step click this add environment, and this select this is a Alex, and this is a 50, and date is a today is a date, environment date is a today, and submit. successfully record is created. All good. Let's refresh this page. 100% 2 number and 3 number. 2 number is implement select, 2 number is a student ID, and this 2 number is Alex is implement. 50 is a 3 number. This is a 3 number is available. This 3 number is a 50. This is a environment, and this is a 3 number is available. All good, and this today is a date create. Next is again this click, and this is a Mayhole. Inside this is a 01, and this is a date is a next date is a select. This is a date 9 May. Successfully record successfully create and refresh this page. Successfully this is a record is a create via model. This is a model via is a include. This is only simple way insert query. Inside this is a request is a already implementation, and this is a request is a inside. This is not a good, but inside this is a implementation. All successful in this is a model through is a record get insert Eloquent model via insert record. This is a successfully said. Please step by step write down. All good. This is a good. All good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. And this is my official website error solution code. We are held to help 24/7. I am always available. And this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you.